One of the things about Rotorua Canopy tours, or at least what I found anyway, is that the guides are so knowledgeable and fun. Super lovely people who are very experienced at making sure that a group of people who don't know each other get the best out of what can be a very challenging experience, standing on platforms a good 30 to 40 meters off the ground, attached to a tree with no guardrails, and then leaping off into the void to journey off to the next tree. For 3.5 hours, it's no mean feat to keep that up, but the guides I had today had done over 1,000 tours each. That's a lot of experience guiding you on this ultimate canopy tour. It's brilliant for families, for couples, for work groups like the group I was tagging along with, and for older adults too. Now, the original Canopy tour is a 3-hour experience that started in 2012, but today I was doing the ultimate experience, a completely different experience for 3.5 hours, started in 2018, where the guides take you deep into the wilderness to experience prehistoric New Zealand forest at its best. So what has it got? Well, along with beautiful forest walks, it has swing bridges, a spiral staircase, ask the guide how much it cost to build this, a 50-meter high cliff walk, the all-important zip lines, all 1,200 meters of them, including a tandem where you can race off against someone else, and it all finishes off with a controlled descent, which you can do upside down, Spider-Man style. You know what? Let me just show you instead. Thanks for hosting me, Canopy Tours. I had an exhilarating time, even if my camera did get a bit glitchy at times. I hope I've given you a flavour of what a brilliant time can be had by all there. I'll be back with my family before too long, and if you're in Rotorua, in that area of New Zealand, I would definitely recommend the experience. In fact, even if you're not in the area, stick it on your list of amazing things to do when you have some time in New Zealand, whether you're a local or a visitor. When that starts happening, go for it. Thanks for watching. My name's Saab Johal. See you soon.